Hi dears, today we are cutting carrots and I'm curious, are you one of those people who eat like more than half the carrots they are cutting? I'm one of them. So when I need to make a food that needs veggies, I get big carrots. They're just easier to cut because like they're bigger, so you get a lot from it, and I just think it's easier to cut than cutting the smaller ones. So what I did was to share the carrots into three parts, and then I made it stand as you can see on the screen, and then I cut it into strips that looks like chocolate bars, and then after that I turn it and cut it into strips again, and then divide that into two because they were too long, and after that I did the ones which were just like long enough as you can see on the screen. So again I divided another carrot into two, cut it into strips that look like chocolate bars, and then I stacked it up, divided them, and got these cubed shapes. See, I did not think it would be this hard to explain what I did on the screen. I just hope that somehow you're able to understand what I'm saying and you're able to pick up something from the video, because somehow it's just hard for me to explain it. So for this particular carrot stick, I just cut it into four and then went ahead to cut it into circular strips like so. I think cutting anything into circular shape has to be one of my favorite things to do. Cutting sausages into circular shapes, cutting carrots, cutting plantains, cutting yam, cutting potatoes in that manner is just, I love it. Please, I just hope you're able to pay attention to what I did on the screen and you grabbed one or two things from what I just did, because I cannot teach. I don't think I would be a good teacher because apparently explaining things is hard. So for this last carrot stick, I cut them into strips like I've done to other ones, and then I laid the flat part of the carrot on the board, and then I just cut it diagonally from one end. Yeah. So this is all the carrot shapes, and I like how they look on this plate, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.